Using your home for collateral. Is using your home for collateral on a loan a good idea? Well, before you think about refinancing, take out a second mortgage or a home equity loan, consider your options. Talk to an attorney or financial advisor before making any decisions about borrowing money using your home as collateral. High interest rates and credit card costs can make it very expensive to borrow money, and loan costs can vary greatly, so it's in your best interest to research what types of loans you would qualify for. Most creditors will give you a written, good faith estimate showing the charges and fees you would pay at closing, the monthly payment, the annual percentage rate, and other loan items. This helps you compare various loan options. Keep in mind, if you use your home for collateral on a loan and can't make the payments in the future, you could lose your home as well as any equity you might have built up. So make sure you can afford the loan before making a decision.